Johnny Magic here at Denbeste Motorsports, and here's another 50K, or what we call the under 50K line that we started here about a month ago. Since then I've done like, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 of the under 50K, and this one's your traditional green camo, but in a different kind of way. Of course it has called the Johnny Magic, coating. I'm just a glorified painter. That's what I do all night and all day. I work on it all night. I paint it, and then sometimes I get to play with it. But sometimes this is the way I play with things. So I started with the green coating, and I turned around and added a brown, a different color brown. It's a darker brown and black spots on it and stuff like that. Of course, it has our trademark hood scoop, Humvee hood scoop. This one actually has, looks like, it's got a Predator front winch bumper on it for under 50K. That's pretty cool. Our wheels and tires, new top, new doors, and this one has the Brahms seats in it. We love the Brahms seats, and they're really cool. This one actually even has upgraded steering wheel. So all that for under $50,000. Doesn't get any better than that. Johnny Magic, Denbeste Motorsports.